Imagine you're standing by a perfectly calm pond. You toss a pebble in and watch that single circular ripple spread out across the surface. Now, picture a tiny bug sitting on a lily pad on the far side of the pond. When the pebble hits the water, the bug is completely unaware. It won't feel a thing until the ripple actually reaches its lily pad. The wave can't teleport. It has a strict speed limit dictated by how fast energy travels through water. This simple pond shows us a basic rule of nature. Cause and effect are not instantaneous. An event can only influence the things around it as fast as the medium allows. Space works the same way. A bright flash of light in the dark void of space expands outward in all directions like a glowing sphere. And just like the water, the universe has a strict speed limit for these expanding spheres. We call it the speed of light. To see how this plays out, think about trying to send a text message to a rover on another planet. Radio waves are a form of light, so your text travels at the universal speed limit. If you're texting Mars, your message doesn't arrive the moment you hit send. On average, it takes about 12.5 minutes for that signal to physically cross the gap. That 12.5 minutes is a hard boundary. The speed of light dictates the absolute fastest that any piece of information or any physical cause can travel from one place to another. Imagine a flat slice of the flash at time 0. Let time run. The light expands. We stack this wider circle above the first, using the vertical direction for time. Stacking these growing circles traces a smooth 3D cone. This geometric mapping was developed by a mathematician named Hermann Minkowski, who used it to help explain Einstein's theory of relativity. This map of potentiality, the light cone, shows exactly how far an event's influence can physically spread as time moves forward. Imagine standing at the exact center tip of this shape. That point is your now. The shape opening upward is your future light cone, holding every location and event you have the potential to reach or affect. We can also flip this geometry to look backward. This downward-pointing shape is your past light cone. It contains the entire history of signals, light, and causes that had enough time to successfully reach you today. Every human life exists exclusively at the pinch point of this hourglass. You are forever caught right in the middle, sitting between the causes of the past and the effects of your future. When we look at the complete double cone structure, something interesting emerges. Notice all that blank space lying completely outside the geometry. Look at the event labeled D on this map. It sits firmly outside both the future and the past boundaries. Because this event is outside your cone, light simply hasn't had enough time to travel between it and your current position. You can't see it, and it can't see you. Physicists have a poetic name for this disconnected, unreachable region. It's called the absolute elsewhere. No matter what action you take, it is physically impossible to send a message to that dot right now, or receive one from it, without breaking the speed of light. The light cone reveals that the universe is divided into regions we can touch and regions we can't, a personal, invisible bubble of cause and effect that defines exactly what can influence your life in this exact moment.